James Lull was the Bernie Madoff of Kauai. He ran a Ponzi scheme that ripped off about $30 million from 50 different victims. During the FBI investigation, we learned that he spent much of the money he stole on his unusual collections. He liked to collect expensive pool cues and meteorites. He eventually pleaded guilty to fraud charges. I was in court on the day of his sentencing, and everybody was there except for James Lull. He didn't show up. The judge issued a bench warrant, and the manhunt was on. I went back to my desk at the FBI office and began working the phones, dispatching agents around the country to search for Lull. And while I was on the phone, I received a call from a police officer in Washington State who told me that James Lull had driven his SUV off a cliff and fallen to his death, saving you, the taxpayer, the cost of incarceration. He was a tricky fellow, so I had the corpse fingerprinted to ensure that it was in fact James Lull. And it was. So you know what I did? I moved on to my next case. Have a great day and be cool.